How to make an AI movie in 5 minutes professionally and very easily. First, choose the appropriate AI tool such as Runway ML, Pika Labs or Sora from OpenAI. Second, write the script or summary of the story, using clear and simple keywords. Third, design the scenes, specify their number and the type of shots required, such as interior, exterior, night or day. Fourth, enter the text into the AI tool and choose the appropriate visual style, whether realistic or cartoonish, then adjust the video settings as desired. Fifth, click the Generate button and wait for the movie to be produced. Sixth, upload the final video and save it to your device. You can add minor edits such as subtitles or effects if you like. Now you have a professional AI movie that you can easily share. Remember, use short and clear scripts, experiment with multiple visual styles, and develop your skills by trying new tools. Thanks for following along. Before we go into the detailed explanation, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a nice comment so you can receive everything new and useful from my channel. What if you could create an entire animated story with just one gesture? It seemed impossible. But now it's possible. All you have to do is write a basic idea, and AI will take care of all the hard work, from writing the text to creating the images and then animating them. This is done using the best AI video generators such as Minimax, Kling AI, Loom AI, and many other options. So, I'm really excited. Let's get started. The tool that makes this possible is VocalML. Here's the website. Here's a link to VocalML. If you scroll down, the interface now looks like it's in the bookmarks bar. You have to choose your main idea. If you want some inspiration from AI, you can click on the idea, and the AI will randomly generate some ideas, but we'll rely on our own ideas. For example, I have an idea in mind, and it's a story about an old farmer who discovered a dragon's egg and raised it. Dragons have been living for many years, and then an adult dragon attacks the village. The farmer has to kill his dragon to protect his family. This is the basic idea of our story. Then we have the style. But now let's move on to our realism. Now we have 2 aspect ratio options, which are the common ones used on YouTube and any other platform. Portrait 29 and 16 inches and landscape 9:6:9. We also have 160 options, whether to add captions or not, and then the character and its position. So, if we click on Recreate Character and Position, the AI will automatically create a consistent character based on the text. Now you can see that the AI has created all the characters in these scenes. Thomas, our farmer, and this dragon named Tempest, who I believe is his wife. Now we have these locations. The AI will automatically create some voices for you, but if you want to change the voices, that's up to you. If you click on it, you'll see that we have different voices, and you can also select them manually, but I like using the AI. Click on Create Project, and you can see an editor here, with a timeline for creating the project. You need to click on Create 3 actions, and the AI will automatically create character scenes and so on. The different things used in creating this video take only a couple of minutes to complete. Okay, the first chapter video was created using images, text, and voiceover. Let me play you this video. A farm near Rollin Hills, where Thomas Sr. farmed for 50 years. As you can see, we have some gaps. We can easily fill these gaps by dragging and dropping clips together. That's the work you need to do, but otherwise the remote will do all the heavy lifting. If you play this video again, you'll see it's near Rollin Hills where Thomas Sr. has been farming the land for 50 years. He plows it with a remote control on a cold morning. As you can see, the clip doesn't have any animation, so it skips this frame somehow. But we can easily move it around later. You can also choose between video creation templates. On the left, you'll see the style option. After that, change the style, and then we get the audio. You can change the audio even after creating the video. Then, if we go to Options, you'll see we have the option to create an image. The different things used to create this video take only a couple of minutes to complete. Well, the first chapter video has been created using images, text, and voiceover. Let me play you this video of a farm near Rollin Hills, where Thomas Sr. has been farming for 50 years. As you can see, we have some gaps. We can easily fill these gaps by dragging and dropping the clips together. That's the work you need to do. But other than that, the remote control will do all the heavy lifting. If you play this video again, you'll see it's near Rollin Hills, where Thomas Sr. has been farming the land for 50 years. He plows it with a remote control on a cold morning. As you can see, the clip doesn't have any animation, so it skips this frame somehow. But we can easily animate it later. You can also choose between video creation templates. On the left, you'll see the style option. After that, change the style, and then we get the audio option. You can change the audio even after creating the video. Then, if we go to options, you'll see we have the option to create an image template. The default is the FluxDev template, and you can also upgrade it to the Flux Pro version. It's all up to you. Then, we have the popular AI-powered video creation templates, so you can use LumaDream, Mini, and Mini Max, EA Reno, and then we also have EA Standard and Pro versions. So, it's all up to you to choose whatever you want. We also have a bunch of templates. The default is the 11 Labs template. Multilingual. You can also switch to Model 11, Labs Turbo. It's all up to you. Well, our clip is animated. If you play it again, you can see a house surrounded by rolling hills, where Thomas Sr. had been ploughing the land for 50 years. One cold morning, as he ploughed a remote corner of the field, his plough hit something that shone like polished obsidian, a large egg. Although it was winter, it felt warm to the touch. The cold embraced it like a jewel. "Thomas, what did you bring home?" "I found her this time in the fields, and even in this environment it was warm to the touch, cool, as you know. I like to bring strange things into the house, Thomas. So, some gaps in the audio can be easily fixed by splitting